April 19, 2022, the Moon is in front of the stars of Scorpius. 4 bright planets, Venus, Jupiter, Mars, and Saturn, are visible before sunrise and Mercury after sunset. Chart caption, 2022, April 19, 4 bright planets are strung across the eastern sky before sunrise. By Jeffrey L. Hunt. Chicago, Illinois, sunrise, 6:04 a.m. CDT, sunset, 7:36 p.m. CDT. Check local sources for sunrise and sunset times for your location. After midnight, the Moon covers the starred Shuba, Delta SCO, from the northeastern US and eastern Canada. Morning sky. By 45 minutes before sunrise, the lunar orb, 91% illuminated, is 2.0 degrees to the left of Shuba. The star marks the Scorpion's forehead. Grapheus, the crab, is 3.1 degrees above Shuba. Apparently, our ancestors did not know the difference between a crab and a scorpion, or perhaps they thought that they had the same origins. The lunar orb is 5.9 degrees to the upper right of Antares, known as the rival of Mars. On celestial artwork, the star is at the Scorpion's heart. Chart caption, 2022, April 19, 4 bright planets are strung across the eastern sky before sunrise. Farther eastward, 4 bright planets line up from the eastern horizon. Brilliant Venus is over 9 degrees up in the east-southeast. It is quickly stepping eastward toward Jupiter, 10.2 degrees to its lower left. The Jovian giant is about 5 degrees above the eastern horizon. A Venus-Jupiter proximate conjunction occurs on April 30th. The planets are about 0.5 degrees apart before sunrise. Mars, moving about half the eastward speed of Venus, is 11.8 degrees to the upper right of Venus, while Saturn is 9.7 degrees to the upper right of the red planet. Mars catches up to Jupiter on May 29. The conjunction gap is 0.6 degrees. Saturn is moving eastward slower than Jupiter. Recall that Jupiter passed Saturn during late 2020 and will not catch up to Saturn again until 2040. This morning's gap is 31.9 degrees from Jupiter to Saturn. The planets are moving eastward, to the left in the northern hemisphere. Jupiter opens a gap to Saturn each year as the Jovian giant travels around the Sun every 12 Earth years, while the ringed wonder takes nearly 30 years. During 2039, the Jupiter-Saturn gap closes to about 30 degrees again, as Jupiter moves in slowly from the west, taking over a year to finally close in and pass Saturn again. These infrequent groupings are known as great conjunctions. Evening sky. Chart caption, 2022, April 19, Mercury is low in the west-northwest after sunset. Mercury continues its sprint into the evening sky. At 45 minutes before sunrise, the speedy planet is nearly 8 degrees up in the west-northwest, 13.4 degrees to the lower right of the Pleiades star cluster.